Hello and welcome to a short video on EDI parser in SnapLogic. Simply put, EDI is a computer-to-computer interchange of strictly formatted messages. There are many EDI standards which exist, namely EDIFACT, X12, HL7. A EDI standard prescribes mandatory and optional information for a particular document that gives the rule for the structure of the document. Two classic examples of information shared with EDI standards are purchase orders and invoices, but there are many more. The initial scope of EDI Snap, developed for SnapLogic, covers EDIFACT and X12 standard for a peer-to-peer transmission, but it can be extended to cover more standards. As part of our initial scope, we are covering both EDI parser and formatter, which we'll be explaining in further slides. A typical pipeline for passing an incoming EDI document would look like this. Parser passes the inbound X12 or EDIFACT document and convert into a JSON document with data element and corresponding values. This JSON structure makes it human readable and easier to extract the required elements. Similarly, EDI formatter would convert an internal JSON format document to EDI X12 or EDIFACT document for sending it to the partners. Typical configuration for EDI parser or formatter would look like this, where one needs to select the EDI type and document type to be parsed or formatted. Now let me take you through the SnapLogic designer to see a EDI parser and formatter snaps in working. You can see that a EDI parser parses the incoming document to create a JSON output with data element and corresponding values. If we take a quick look at the incoming EDI document, this actually shows that it's a 810 invoice document of X12 type. Once the EDI parser has parsed the incoming document, we can take a look at this. It has converted the EDI document into a JSON document with data element and their corresponding values. Similarly, the EDI formatter takes an input, which would be an internal JSON document with all the information one organization needs to pass to its partner. That incoming document, after being formatted, would be converted into a EDI format document, and then that can actually be be written to a file, or it can be sent to a partner. If we write into a file, then we can take a look at this in the document which is stored, and we can see that an invoice ST810 document has been formatted into a EDI format. Similarly, we can also see that the corresponding EDIFACT document are being parsed and formatted into their corresponding documents for either internal consumptions or for sending it to a partner. Thank you. Hope you like this demonstration. For any other information, please get in contact with your SnapLogic account manager. Thank you.